There are literally so much lies, especially with YouTube automation, and I wanted to cut the noise, right? Why doesn't a new channel get views? You might have started your channel, you might have probably uploaded like 2 or 3 videos, 10 videos, and still you're seeing that you are not getting views, you're not getting any impression, and you're just wondering like what the hell's happening. And the big gurus on the other side is telling you, hey, if you use this AI tool, you might automatically get views, right? But this is something that I had to figure out on my own. And going into 2026, what's actually happening is YouTube is doing things in a different way, right? So you cannot just be opening up your Gmail and start uploading. You have to be first be warming up your channel. Okay, you have to be warming up your channel. So if it's a new Gmail, if it's a new phone number, you have to be maybe go in there on YouTube, watch like 2 or 3 videos, right? Like 1 or 2 videos, and then start slowly building up trust with YouTube, right? So you have to do these activities for 14 days. So I'd say 14, like 2 or 3 weeks, you have to be doing this. Go on YouTube, just watch like a normal viewer, and then after that you're gonna be publishing video, 1 video a week. Next week you're gonna upload 2 videos, week after that 3 videos, and then week after that 4 videos, and then slowly you want to build up your trust, right? Because end of the day, YouTube wants to trust you. They don't know who's actually behind the laptop, they don't know anything about you, right? So you have to be building a trust with YouTube. So once YouTube starting to like you and they're starting to trust you, that's when they're gonna give you a whole lot of impression and a whole lot of views, right? So this is one of the many reasons why YouTube is not showing your content to the broad public. And you have to be doing things in a certain way to get a certain kind of results, right? If you are actually doing the same stuff over and over again, and if you're getting the same kind of results, this can be the reason that you want to be changing to a different strategy, right? So if you started a channel still not getting views, this could be the reason your channel might be shadow banned, right? So simple as that. You have to go in your analytics, check if you're getting impression. If you get 0 impression, this is the reason. So it's best if you can start up another Gmail and start warming up your channel slowly, and then after that what you gotta be doing, start uploading video 1, and then week after that 2 video, after that, so slowly you have to be building up. And let me know in the comment section if you are getting an impression, because something beginning of last year we started having these issues. So I just pinpoint like, hey, this is happening, we're starting new channel, this is the reason why we're not getting views, and we improved on it. We tested, our clients have actually tested this method, and it really works. So if you're getting low views, try these and also let me know. God bless, and I will talk to you next one. Bye.